Learning more about a car crash this morning that left a person in critical condition. Tonight, police arrested 25-year-old Seth Mitchell, saying he caused the crash and was driving drunk. Police say a white Honda was driving west on Ellison through the intersection of Coors on a green light. A white van that was speeding southbound on Coors ran through a red light and smashed into the Honda, causing it to flip multiple times, pinning the victim inside. The victim is in critical condition at the hospital. Mitchell is booked into MDC.
Accused of causing the crash that killed Officer Evan Dunn has pleaded guilty.
Fox 31's Hannah Powers is live outside of court in Jefferson County tonight with what that means legally and how the deal was structured to ensure accountability. Hannah?
Exactly right. Like you just said, Christina, Jeremy, today that driver who is accused of causing the crash that killed Officer Evan Dunn pleaded guilty. This will guarantee prison time, and legal experts say this is a move carefully designed to ensure that there is accountability in this case that took the life of an officer. Nearly a year after Golden police officer Evan Dunn was killed in a crash, the man responsible stood before a judge and pleaded guilty. 44-year-old Stephen Robert Gear admitted to vehicular homicide DUI and vehicular assault DUI. Investigators say he was drunk when he caused the chain reaction crash on Highway 93 last November. Fox 31 legal analyst Christopher Decker says the case underscores the stakes when a public servant is killed in the line of duty.
All vehicular homicides are tragic, but anytime we have a public servant like a state trooper or a police officer that's injured in the line of duty, just showing up, doing their job, it's particularly tragic.
As part of the deal, Gear faces 4 to 18 years in prison. In exchange for his guilty plea, prosecutors dismissed several lesser charges, ensuring he can't avoid prison or receive probation.
This is a smart plea agreement by the defendant. It also wraps up the case for the prosecutor so they don't have to spend the judicial resources to take this case to trial. I suspect that the judge involved here will sentence him towards the upper range of that 4 to 18 year period. He will go to prison. He will serve his time.
Next,
Matt Fonts, Alyssa Royster is out on assignment. We begin this afternoon with the first court appearance for the man accused of shooting and killing those 2 officers in Tremont. ABC4's Jonathan May is following the very latest for us.
Ryan Bay appeared before a judge today virtually less than 1 week after 2 Tremont police officers were shot and killed. Amidst the long list of charges are aggravated murder and attempted murder. The judge let Bay know that the Box Elder County Attorney's Office is seeking the death penalty.
Are you Ryan Michael Bate, date of birth September 1st, 1992?
Yes, Your Honor.
The judge read the 20 charges. Bay faces 10 felonies, including 2 capital charges. Bay allegedly shot and killed Officer Eric Estrada and Sergeant Lee Sorensen during a domestic disturbance at his home in Tremont.
You are hereby on notice that they are seeking the death penalty for counts 2 and 3, aggravated murder.
The judge read Bay his rights. He barely spoke.
Mr. Bate, are you seeking to be appointed counsel to represent you in these cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
You're currently in custody and so you're not able to work. Do you have any assets or property that you could access to be able to retain counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Bay was appointed attorneys to represent him. Judge Walsh also signed a pretrial protective order for the alleged victims.
I know the allegations here are extremely serious, and it may take some additional time potentially to be prepared for that preliminary hearing.
Bates' preliminary hearing is scheduled for the morning of October 30th. Reporting in the control room, Jonathan May, ABC4 News.